Okay, another week, another harvest day. You guys ready for this? First up, onions. We have our red Creole. Texas Super Sweet. Texas Early Whites. Okay, here are the onions we got. Got a good little harvest today. Okay, the status is looking pretty good today. I think we'll get a good harvest. I actually have an order for 10 small bouquets that I need to have all ready for Sunday. So I need to make sure I find enough stuff for all of that. Okay, here's the status that Nessie helped gather. Nessie! We got some good pinks, orangey colors, a lot of white, some purples. Okay, next up we have some yarrow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are currently in the mess. And if you can see, the mess isn't quite so messy. I've been doing stuff. We're going to get there. Hopefully by next week's harvest, this will all be where it needs to be. Okay, here we have the yarrow. I found some craspedia and it's looking extra wonky today. I love it. I just think they make the bouquets look super fun. So this is my eucalyptus area. As you can tell, it's a little bit crazy. I think what I'm going to do, I was thinking about replanting them, but I think what I'm going to do instead is just chop everything down so that way it's not so tall. I started these from seed, by the way, 2 years ago, and this is where they're at. So I'm just going to lop off all the tops for right now. Later today, I'll probably take them down to the ground, but these will not cut it. So, will not cut it. Get it? Anyways, so we'll just lop some of these tops off, and we should be able to use a lot of these in the bouquet order this week. These will work a little better. Just take this right here. Oh, did you see that? Caught it. Did you see that catch? That's right. Aha! Another catch. So good at this. Here's the eucalyptus. Yep. Pretty good. Smells so good. Okay, we're back in the strawberries. I'll give you a little bit closer look to see what we're dealing with, and let's see what we can find. Oops. Oop, I think this is the biggest one we've had so far. So I realized my microphone shut off and didn't know it shut off, so I missed picking peas. Didn't get a ton, but I wanted to show these leek flowers that I'm harvesting to put in the bouquets. I love the pretty purple. It does make the bouquets smell slightly oniony, but I think it's all right.
Another thing I really wanted to show you were these Cosmos. So these reseeded from last year and it made this new amazing color that I've never seen before. It just looks so awesome. So what I'm going to do is collect the seeds and see if I can basically recreate this flower and stabilize the seed so I can create a unique variety to Hillside Harvest Farm. And maybe in a few years, I can sell those seeds and have our very own variety.
Okay, got a ton of flowers today. A little bit of peas, a little bit of strawberries, a good amount of onions, but the flowers, which is good because I have an order for 10 bouquets. So as you can see, it's starting to wilt a little bit, so we got to get these inside. It's starting to get hot.